Hello everyone, welcome back to Slice Up YouTube channel. Hi Shiva, how are you doing?
Hi, Arasu. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm good, very well, thank you.
Okay, what have we got on our plate today?
Today, an interesting topic we have about we're going to look at the data model view, which is the third tab in the Power BI screen,
Mhm.
which talks about relationships and hierarchies and certain features that you can actually do, which you can't do in the report view and the data view. So we are going to look at this data model view. We're also going to look at advanced data model view. Yes, today we are going to look at the data model view, as I said before, which is actually the third tab from the left-hand side, which says model view. If you click on the model view, you can see all the table schemas, table structures, and the relationships between tables. And this is where you can actually create relationships, manage relationships, and manipulate relationships. Your property window, at the moment, it shows nothing. The moment you select a table, you get further options. You can create a description for each table or synonyms to understand, to explain what the table is all about, give it a name or give it a row label, key column. Or if you want to hide the table, you can actually hide the fields of the table so it doesn't appear in the model view, which is the data side of the table display. It should
Hmm.
be available. So you can actually hide the fields. So those are the things you can actually do within the data model view. And in order to create a relationship, you can basically, this is already pre-made dashboard. So you already got the relationship. You can click on a relationship and this can show you highlight the cells or the column names that has actually been related to each other. For instance, GP practice name in CCG and GP data and the fingertips table, the area name has been linked together. Similarly, you can link all the regions as well at the same time so that you can manipulate the data based on it. And the relationship is a one-to-many relationship, and it can be a one-to-one or many-to-many.
So that star represent one to many relationship, right?
Yes, that's correct. So many star means many. That's what
Okay.
represents. And
Mhm.
one is one. There's one to many relationship.
Okay.
And the direction of this arrow is very, very important. You can double click on this line and then it should open up another window, which basically gives you the both tables and the fields is related to and the cardinality and
Hmm.
the direction of the arrow. Whether this relationship is active or not, you can set all those settings here.
Okay.
And if you go to the properties section, as I've clicked on the selected the line, and this has now given me the table and the column, which has been related to, and the cardinality relationship. So you can set things here as well, or you can open up the relationship editor. Another way to open up the relationship editor is using this tab called relationships or manage relationships. I click on it, I should be able to see the manage relationships tab where I can select the all the tables I want to have the relationship, and then I can edit it, and then by this way I can actually go back to the same relationship editor table. So these are the things you could actually do with the data model view. And there are some more things like hierarchies and other things like hiding the fields and sorting the columns and creating folders, which can be done in the advanced view depending on which table you select and what is the data type of the selected column, which I'll be discussing in the further videos.